Hello friends, welcome back. In the last video, we quickly looked at introduction to the if conditional statement where we saw how many students are pass and how many students are failed. Okay. Now let's to see how we can also use it for something called as data cleaning. So let's remove this result from here for a minute. Let me delete this. And here we will call something like account number. Okay, account number, and each student has some account number. Let's put some data like this. Okay, and now you see that there are some data which are actually empty. Okay, now sometimes if there are empty records here, it will be very difficult to understand what happened if there is data missing or the data is not available. So you need to make a decision making there. Okay, now so if that is the condition, that is, let me write here, if there is a blank cell. Okay, you know this is a cell, right? Every intersection between the column and the row is called a cell. So if there is a blank cell, then mention not available. Okay, if there is a blank cell, then mention not available, or you can just say data not available, data not available. Okay, so what I'm going to do now here, I'll come here and go for the if statement. And logical test is that if this particular cell is equal to double quotes, which means it is empty, comma, then you have to write what should happen when it is empty. So I'll write here unknown. Okay, UNKOW, unknown. Okay, or of course we wanted to write as data not available, sorry, data not available. And the true, that is the true part. Okay, that is the true part. And if it is false, then you can just click on same C2 bracket close. Okay, now if I just double click here, it will fill out for others, and there is no data, like for example there is no account number for Tina, so you will get the message as data not available. Okay, so this is how the if condition statement works. So another question here, like if we want to know how many ifs are used in this particular example, then obviously it is going to be 5, because we are starting from the row 2 to the 7, so it is 5. Okay, so that is how if is very useful in data analytics. Okay, so in the next video we'll look at some more additional information regarding the if conditional statement. Okay, all right, thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.